got another maths game for you. So this game is about measurement, and what you'll need is 3 toys again. So I've got my huge green sheep, my middle-sized teddy bear, and my tiny little blue fish. You also need to find something that is all the same size, like blocks. These are all the same size, but you could use pegs as well. And these are what we're going to use to measure our toys. You also need some paper, but if you've got concrete and chalk, you could easily do this outside as well. So I'm going to start with my huge green sheep and lie him flat on my piece of paper. And this is where some children are going to practice tracing around the toys all the way around, which is obviously great for their fine motor skills. Tracing around the big green sheep. There we are. And that's what they look like. The next thing we're going to do is trace around our middle-sized teddy. So I'll lay Teddy flat, like that. Press his legs down, around his foot, along his side, around his arm, his ear, and his head, around his other arm, and his other leg. There we are. Great, now we've got an outline of Teddy. I've got a little more space at the bottom, and this is where we're going to put our tiny little fish. I'm going to trace around our little fish, and its big lips, fins and tail. There. So this is where the measuring part happens. We're going to see how many blocks each of these toys are. So how tall they are compared to the blocks. So if we start with the sheep, I'm going to lay them out this way. Good. You've got to make sure they're straight. We go from the bottom all the way to the top. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6.5. 6.5 blocks. So I'm going to write, see if I can write upside down, 6.5 blocks. There we are. So our sheep is 6.5 blocks tall if we hold him this way. It's very tall. Alright, let's compare the sheep now to the teddy. I might use green blocks, but they're still the same. Alright, here's Teddy. How many blocks tall is Teddy? Let's see. I'm going to start at the bottom. 1, 2, can we make 3? Yeah. 3 blocks. So Teddy is 3 blocks high. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Do you think fish will be shorter or taller than Teddy? Let's get our next blocks out, our yellow blocks. 1 block, a little bit more. 1 and a bit blocks for the fish. So the fish is the shortest toy. The next toy is Teddy. He's 3 blocks tall. And remember, we worked out that the big green sheep was 6.5 blocks. So maybe you can get all of your toys out of the toy box and put them in order from the shortest all the way up to the tallest.